So who are Drinkstuff and how can they help you? Well, look, there are people in this building much better suited to telling you the ins and outs of Drinkstuff than what I ever can. But I just want to give you a quick overview from my side of things because I've been a loyal customer of theirs since 1998, 22 years out of my 25, 26 year career in the bartending industry. These have been my go-to guys for everything that I've needed except for booze. They don't sell booze, they are everything other than booze that you could ever wish to need. Whether you've got a home bar, whether you love hosting parties at the weekend, whether you're a pub, bar, restaurant or hotel, everything from that side of things. We are talking cheap and cheerful glassware, we are talking proper, and I need to do a video in front of that because just to that side is a proper floor to ceiling, literally shelves and shelves of awesome crystal glassware. We've got all the plastic stuff, unbreakable stuff that looks awesome. All 15.5 stone of me could stand on that and it wouldn't break. We've got with the new law coming in that you can't use plastic straws in the UK, we've got all the fun stuff, the compostable and recyclable straws that you can use. We've also got fun and awesome tiki just behind, off camera there, just behind the camera. We've got again floor to ceiling shelf of tiki stuff. But most important of all, and I know this is the most important of all, because for all of you that love making your porn star martinis, they are your go-to people to get your passion fruit puree and your vanilla syrups to help you up your porn star martini games. So go and check them out. They are an online retailer, drinkstuff.com, based in the UK, but they are just down the road from me in South Cambridge as well. So go and check them out online. I want you to dive in there, and if you've got any questions or want more information about any of the products that they sell, let me know in the comments below and I'll try and help you out, and I might even do a video about it in the future. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, but better still, dive into the website, find some cool stuff and help me to help you create content that is going to take your bartending and drinks game and cocktail game to the next level.